went and picked up a couple of these mini Yak Gear zigzag cleats. One I'll be putting right here for the anchor, next to my anchor trolley. I've had nothing to lock in my anchor. I've been wrapping it up around these little hooks here. So this is going to come in handy. And I also picked up another one to fix this thing, because this little clam here sucks ass. So I'm going to be putting this something like that, a little crooked. That way when I pull it, it's easier to just kind of hook this bottom lip right here one-handed. You know, for the first few months or so of kayaking hard, this clam works okay, but after a while it just gives up and you can't keep your anchor down for nothing. So that's something for people new to the Vibe kayak. Maybe think about getting a zigzag cleat or a better clam. I believe that's where I want it on my Sea Ghost, and I'm just gonna do it. I had a pen cap in my mouth. There we go. Now we just gotta drill holes and do that whole thing again. I'm a big fan of too much goop. You can always clean that shit up later. That actually made a nice little seal all the way around, so I'm pretty confident that is plugged up with the goop. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's some goop on those. Shitty little pliers. Damn it. These pliers suck ass. I got one on, and that seems pretty dang sturdy to me. It's kind of a pain in the ass though, I'm not gonna lie, putting on these lock nuts. Reaching in there all awkward. Lock nuts, they say. Use lock nuts. Would you grab on and stay on there? Jesus. Nope. Lost you for a moment. Oh, whatever. Okay. So, anyway. Whew. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. Feels solid as all hell though. Whew. So I'll take that. It's on there. That's my fix. Pull that rudder back. Oh, look at that. You can just pop it right on. The way that I angled that I think is perfect. Oh, I don't think I'll be losing any tension anymore. It's a little bit of an extra step, but no more than having to reset my anchor every 5 seconds. So cool, man. I'm happy with that. A relatively painless fix for this stupid cleat that they put on here. It works well for a little while, but something better would be nice, and that's nice. Now, I got 2 of them. The next thing is what it's designed for. I'm going to use it for my anchor. So it's going to go on the other side, pretty close to the same region, right over here. And I might bump it a little closer to the bow. Yeah, I think that'd be okay. I'll get back to you guys on that.